This is my drawing of a cheeseburger labubu, and today I'm going to teach you each and every step on how you can draw this yourself. So grab your pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page with that thick brow. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left. We're going to curve this down, across, and just curl that up on the end. Let's move over towards the right and do the same thing. Coming down, across, and then up. Now I want to tuck the eyes in underneath. So on the left side, we're going to draw an oval. Coming down, round up the eye, and just tuck that up on the inside. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I'm going to pull the pupils towards the inside. So underneath the brow, curl this around, and then curl that in. On the top left side of each eye, draw a small oval for a highlight. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Now with the eyes in place, let's move in between and draw the nose. We're going to start with the top curve going up and then down. From the ends, round this out and pull this in towards a center point. Now I'm going to move out to the side and draw that large mouth. I'm going to start from the left side, curl this down, go across, and then curl that up around the right eye. Let's line the mouth with the teeth. Starting in the center, we're going to start with the left side. We're going to come down and then up like a V. Let's add one on the right. Now we're going to balance this out by going from left to right. So let's add another one on the left side, one on the right. And then we're going to continue to add these teeth up towards the corners of the mouth. Now that we complete the face, let's draw the inside edge of the head. We're going to start right in the middle, at the very top. Start with a point. Bend this up and out toward the left and then right. Let's curve this back in to create a point. Bend this up and then out. Let's add one more point, coming in. Now we're going to surround the face with an oval. We're going to go all the way around the face, around the mouth. And I'm going to pull that in towards the center. Let's go over towards the right side and do the same thing. Going around the face, coming down, and we'll bend that in. Now let's draw the outside of the head. We're going to move up again. We're going to add some hair, going up and out towards the side. And then add that point. Let's add another one, going up and then out, and then in with a short line. Now I'm going to work our way all the way around the head and then in underneath the chin. So let's start back on the left side. And along the way, we're going to add these little points of hair. Let's balance this out with the right side. Continue along the side, and add another point. Down towards the bottom of the head. Now I'm going to close this off by coming down, across the chin, and then back up. Let's place the ears on top of the head, leaving a gap in the center. Let's start on the left, bend this up, and then out towards the top. Let's round up the ear, come along the outside, and then down on top of the head. Let's trace the ears along the inside. So we're going to leave a trim going up, come around, and then back down. Now let's add the center of the ear. We're going to go up, round this out, and then come down. It's like a little rounded point along the tip. Now with the head complete, we're going to move down and draw the body of the cheeseburger, starting with the bun. Let's start over on the left side. And it's out and then down. Let's round out the bun, come across the middle, and then round out the right side. Let's sprinkle the sesame seeds across that bun. Starting from the left side, we're going to draw an oval. It's going to work our way across. And we're just going to rotate these seeds. Let's move in, curve this around, and then in, around the side of the patty. And we'll close this off with another curve. Let's drip some ketchup along the top, starting from the side, coming down and up, coming down and tuck that up underneath. Just leave a gap and draw another drip over on the right side. Now I'm going to make this a double patty. Let's add another curve on both sides, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's add the corners of the cheese, starting back on the left, come down and in, same thing on the right. From this point, we're going to bend this up and then in underneath. And then we're going to finish this off with the bottom of the bun with a smaller curve, and then we'll finish this off. Let's tuck the feet and legs underneath, starting from the left side, goes down and then up, leave a gap, and draw the right leg. Now from the inside, we're going to draw the feet, going down and out on both sides. And then we're going to add 3 toes, go straight up, curve the second toe, coming down and out, go straight up. Let's add 1 more toe, bend this out, and we'll curve the foot, going up and then in underneath the legs. Now we're going to draw the hand sticking out from the side. Let's start from the left side of the bun, draw a short angled line coming down and out, add a point, going up and then down for the thumb. And then we're going to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start with the left, going out and then in, add another finger, add the 3rd finger, bend this down and then in towards the side. And we're just going to repeat that over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how you draw the cheeseburger labubu. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one.